Hi, welcome back to the Stain Canvas. So today I am doing a little tiny experiment. I have all these leftover coffee filters. I don't drink coffee, and I have all these coffee filters hanging around because you can do all kinds of things in an art studio with coffee filters. But it never crossed my mind before to try them out with my gel plate. So that's what I'm doing today. I have the whole afternoon to experiment with making new collage papers and stuff. And so I'm just laying out a couple of coffee filters on the side of my gel plate because those will end up being to clean off my brayer. And then I just go in with one of these like minty green acrylic paint colors. I can't quite remember what it is right now, but I really love this color. And I just wanted like solid colors with patterns. So you'll see I'm cleaning off my brayer because even the brayer clean off papers, you can collage with them. So you can cut out shapes of those. But I have a silicone, it's technically a cake decorating tool, but it works fantastic in an art studio. So if you haven't tried it before, go check out your baking supplies area in your supermarket and you might find some really neat pattern making things. I'm just giving you a heads up. But here I'm just placing, I realized I can't fit two fully on here. So I'm just going to press them down and then I'll pick them up and twirl them and try and get the white spots printed. But I absolutely adore the pattern that comes out of these green ones. It's so fantastic. Look at the swirl. I love it so much that I try and do it again, but instead of a nice swirl, I end up with a checker and it doesn't. This is the one that turns out the best out of the whole day of printing. These are my favorites right here. And then this one, I'm just trying to get more of the white covered up those white edges. That turns out so nice. And then after the green, I go in with a light blue color. And this is the one where it didn't quite turn out as I expected it to turn out. The checker pattern that I have made was a lot smaller. If it was probably bigger checkered, I probably would like it more. But because it was the small square checkered, I use the same cake tool. And I think next time what I'll do is just freehand it. So I'll make bigger squares. But yeah, it does turn out if you were looking for a smaller checker pattern. It's just taking off some of the blue paint. And then I'm going to do this exact same thing that I had done with the green. So I'm going to do two prints, like two coffee filters. And then, yeah, I end up doing the whole day of coffee filters. You'll see in a little bit, in about a minute here, a little second, all of the different colors I did with this on this day. It was amazing. I had so much fun doing these. You see the checkered pattern didn't really show up very well, but I still like it. Like it's still a really good collage paper. Still cuttable, still gluey. Like you can do all kinds of things with these. That might be really good in a background with maybe something else on top of it. But yeah, this was my whole adventure in gel printing coffee filters. I don't know if anyone else has ever tried it, but if you try this, let me know how it works out for you. I was so worried that the paint would leak right through, but it turned out fantastically. So here's the ones that I ended up doing that day. And I hope you like it. I hope you like this video. If you've tried this, leave a comment. Let me know how it turned out for you. And like, subscribe, tell your friends about me, and I will talk to you guys next time on the Stain Canvas. And have a great day, guys. Bye.